Do you often hear a voice within you which says, what if I fail? What if I mess up? What other people will think about me? I'm not good enough, not smart enough, not talented enough, or experienced enough. These are all the self doubts. And you know, self doubt kills more dreams than failures ever will. Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I'm going to talk to you about the four most common reasons for self doubt. Because when your why is clear, your how becomes much more easier. So let's quickly dive in. So, before moving forward, first of all, let me tell you that self doubt occurs when you lack confidence or you feel incapable of doing the things which you need to do. And also remember, a certain level of self doubt is good because it indicates that you understand what you need to improve to do a better job. But a persistent fear or self doubt can hugely impact your life in a bad way. So, the four most common reasons which I will be sharing today will help you to find out why your self doubt is holding you back from your happiness and success. So, the reason number one is past experiences and mistakes. Friends, past experiences can have a huge impact on how you react, especially when you have had a bad experience, like being in an abusive relationship or being fired from your job without any concrete justification. So just reflect upon, are there any past experiences or the mistakes that are making you to doubt yourself? Because past experiences can shake and rattle our beliefs. And if you continue to refer to your past experiences without learning from them, then it's just a waste of your bright future. Now, the reason number two is childhood upbringing. Friends, childhood upbringing plays a major role in shaping your habits and personalities. Just go back to your childhood and see if you were constantly told that you are not good enough or you were judged heavily on your grades. And if so, you might have already internalized the habit of questioning yourself, thereby leading to self doubt. Now, here comes our reason number three, comparison with others. Friends, it's one of the most common reasons for self doubt. And it's not unnatural for us to compare ourselves with others because we live in a world of competition. And it is so easy for us to compare our work performance with our colleagues or simply in this overwhelming world of social media. And also, it is very easy for us to envy others' lives and think that we are not doing as well as they are. But friends, always remember, if you are comparing too much with others and thinking that what they have and what you lack, then you will start to lose yourself. Now, with this comes our reason number four, new challenge. Friends, this is a pretty normal case because you absolutely have no experience on how to react or what things you need to do. So, the feeling of uncertainty or insecurity will make you feel uncomfortable and thereby leading you to doubt yourself. So friends, this is all about today's video wherein I have shared four most common reasons for your self-doubt. So just reflect upon them and find whether is it your past experiences or mistakes or is it your childhood upbringing or are you comparing yourself with others or is it a new challenge in your life? Because when you go deeper into the root cause of your self-doubt, then it becomes easier for you to overcome it. And also stay tuned for my upcoming video wherein I will be sharing few simple tips on how to overcome your self-doubt. So see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care and namaste.